All right, guys, I'm going to show you a cool way to extract information from your images. So as you know, JSON is structured data. And one way to extract information out of something is to convert it into JSON. We do that with websites. We can do it with images as well. And what we can do with that afterwards is pretty cool. So we can create like really accurate music prompts that match the image. We can create more images. We can create video prompts that are really accurate for describing the particular image. Just makes it a lot easier than trying to type out what you see or even feeding an image to an LLM and having it generate a prompt for you. Because with JSON, you can really define what kind of information you want to extract. And I've actually done that over here with a very detailed prompt that extracts information. So let's look at some examples of that. So here I have an image that I'm starting with, and we're going to convert it into JSON. And here's an example of what that looks like. As you can see, it's very long and detailed. It goes into like the composition, lighting, all that stuff, like opacity, what items are in it. Like it's quite detailed. And then what we're doing here is we're generating another image, but we're just feeding to JSON, because the best way to know if this thing's accurate is if it produces an image fairly close to the original. So this is the image that was generated from that JSON structure. It never saw the other image. This is just strictly just from JSON. As you can see, it's fairly close to that. So we can do a ton of things with this data now, and we have it here. So we can create something like a music prompt and then feed it into a model like Minimax Music and then create music. And here's an example of like what that music would sound like. Again, this music is really based on the image. So we're trying to really match the song to the image here. So here's an example. So as you can see, I mean, if you're going to play some kind of a background music and have something going on here, or even just as an Instagram photo with some background music that really fits the image, this is the best way to go about doing it. And so you can create more images, as you saw. You can even create more accurate videos, because now you got prompts that are really descriptive about what you are actually seeing in the starter image. So I just wanted to tell you about this. And yeah, you can play around with it. I'll be sharing this with you guys.